Good morning to all, dear students. Today we will do forms of verb. So here are some common forms of verbs which we use most often. So there are three forms of verb. First is called present form, that is first form of verb. Also we write V1. And second form is called past tense form or past form of verb, that is V2 or second form. And third one is past participle or third form of verb, also we can write as V3. So often these verbs are mistaken when used in different forms. So here first one is write, WRITE. Its second form will be WROTE, wrote. Third form will be WRITTEN, written. Then fly, FL by fly. Its second form is flew. And third form is flown, FLOWN. BU by buy means to purchase. Second form is BOUGHT, bought. And third form is BOUGHT, bought. Then bring, BRING, bring. Second form is BROUGHT, brought. And third form is also BROUGHT, brought. Next verb is catch, CATCH. Its second form is CAUGHT, caught. And third form is CAUGHT, caught. Next is dry, DR by. Its second form will be DRIED, dried. And third form will be DRIED, dried. Second and third form will be same. So in most of the verbs, second and third forms are same, but it is not for all. As go, GO, go. Its second form will be went, WENT. And third form GONE, gone. Then drink, DRINK. Second form is DRANK, drank. And third form is DRUNK, drunk. Next is try, TR by try. Second form is TRIED, tried. And third form is also TRIED, tried. CUT, cut. It remains same in all the three forms. CUT, cut. Second form also CUT, cut. And third form also CUT, cut. And also put, PUT, put. It remains put in all the three forms. Next is shoot, निशाना लगाना, or to shoot the picture, click the picture, that is also shoot. So that is SHOOT, shoot. Its second form is short, SHOT, short. And third form is also SHOT, short. GAIN, gain means profit, to earn profit or to get something by doing some work. So its second form is GAINED, gained. And third form is also GAINED, gained. GIVE, give. Its second form is GAVE, gave. Third form is GIVEN, given. THROW, throw. Its second form is THREW, threw. And third form is THROWN, thrown. FIGHT, fight. Its second form is FOUGHT, fought. And third form is also FOUGHT, fought. RUN run, second form is RAN ran, and third form is RUN run. First and third form are same, and ran is second form. LOSE lose, second form will be LOST lost, and third form also will be LOST lost. CHOOSE choose means opt, its second form will be CHOSE chose, and third form will be CHOSEN chosen. RING ring, second form will be RANG rang, and third form will be RUNG rung, ring rang rung. SING sing, SANG sang, second form, and third form SUNG sung. CR by cry, second form will be CRIED cried, and third form will be also CRIED cried. FR by fry, second form FRIED fried, and third form also FRIED fried. Feed means to give food to someone, or to make someone eat food. Second form is FED fed, and third form is FED fed. DIE die means to perish, second form will be DIED died, and third form also will be DIED died. LIVE live, second form will be LIVED lived, and third form will be LIVED lived. So we know that first form we use in simple present tense. According to subject, S or ES is added, and in simple past tense, if in negative and interrogative sentences, first form is used. Second form is used in simple past tense, declarative sentences or statements, and third form is used in perfect tenses, present, past and future perfect tenses. They take third form of verb. So students, note down these forms of verbs after watching the video and learn them. Thank you. Have a nice day.